How to install the BOCI black diamond cutting head. Hello everyone. Today we will demonstrate the installation tutorial for a 12 kilowatt cutting head. This is a BOCI 442 black diamond cutting head. Now let's start installing the cutting head. First, locate the 4 screws that secure the cutting head. Next, lift the cutting head. Install it onto the back plate. Install the screws. Note, do not fully tighten the screws yet. After all 4 screws are in place, start tightening the screws. Tighten them diagonally. Tightening is complete. Next, we will install the water hoses. Now install the cutting head's inlet and return water hoses. The hose specification is 12 by 10. The blue hose is the inlet water line. The red hose is the return water line. To install the inlet hose, first use this type of quick connector. This is the water inlet of the optical fiber. A T-fitting needs to be installed. Use a short 8mm blue hose. Connect it to the 12mm hose above. The cutting head inlet uses a blue hose. Use a longer blue water hose. Connect it to the T-fitting. The inlet water line installation is complete. Now install the return water line. Similarly, use a 12 to 8 quick straight connector. Connect an 8mm short red hose here, then connect it to the T-fitting. Connect any port of the T-fitting to the red water hose of the optical fiber. Next, use a long red water hose. Connect it to the return water port of the cutting head. Both the inlet and return water lines of the cutting head are now installed. Next, install the PWE cable of the cutting head. This is the power cable of the cutting head, as well as the integrated cable assembly for the height adjustment signal. Remove the insulating tape. Insert it into this position on the cutting head. Unscrew the protective cap. At this point, connect the PWE cable to the PWE port. The PWE cable has a keyway. Align it with the keyway of the socket. After inserting it, tighten the threaded ring. Press while tightening. Once tightened, the installation is complete. Now locate the 10mm blue hose. This is the nozzle cooling air hose. Use a 10 to 6 quick straight connector. Then take a 6mm hose. Connect it to the side port of the cutting head. Unscrew the protective cap. The connection is now complete. Next, install the cutting gas hose of the cutting head. The cutting gas port is located here. Open the protective cap. If during installation the nut cannot be fitted, we need to replace this gas connector. You can find another type of connector in the cutting head accessory box and replace it. Take proper protective measures. Use a wrench to remove the connector. Install the alternative connector. Tighten it with a wrench. Then install the cutting gas hose. Slide the hose onto the fitting. Insert it into the connector. Tighten the nut. The cutting head installation is complete.